Hello everyone. Hey, I really don't like this so-called art that's basically signage. So you'll see a piece of work that says life is short and the T will be missing off the end. Things like that. I was in Fairhope, Alabama, and there was one such piece and it said, Southern women don't drink, they just sip a lot. Now, whilst that's hilarious, do you want to be confronted by that every time you enter your living room? Apparently so. I don't like it at all. Anyway, here's my response to it, which is this piece of work here. It's a snake, as you can see, but he's actually saying hiss. I hope that the hiss is not obvious. It would be really nice if you didn't know that until one day you're looking at it and you think, oh, that says hiss. It's my latest idea. What I'm doing is, they're very basic shapes, and then I'm using my Marini in contrasting colours to pick out the form. So here we are, here's a pink one, and a purple one, and a burgundy one. I think these are really quite different and quite interesting. I hope you do too.